Everything in your world is made up of particles. They are the building blocks of everything you touch, everything you breathe, and everything you see. It's all made up of these little superstars, and they behave differently in different things. The problem is, they are so small you can't see them. So small, you can't see how they move and change and go from state to state. But I have a special light that when I shine it on objects, it reveals their teeny, tiny particles. So let's have a look. Okay, so here we have what looks like an empty bottle. However, when I shine my light on it, it reveals gas particles. The bottle is in fact full of air. Look at the particles moving around freely and rapidly in all directions, bouncing into each other. This is how gas particles behave. Gases are free spirits and do not have a definite shape or volume. They spread out. They completely fill any container in which they are enclosed and take its shape. They are easily compressed as they do not have a fixed form. Okay, so now the bottle has water in it. Let's take a look at how the particles behave. In a liquid like water, the particles are close together but randomly arranged. They move freely over each other, a bit like marbles in a bucket. This is why liquids can be poured and are fluid. Liquid has volume but no fixed shape. It is able to change shape and fill the space it occupies by flowing. In a liquid, the particles are loosely bonded and can be slightly compressed with force. Okay, so now the water has frozen over, and the bottle is full of solid ice. In solids, the particles are closely packed together and arranged in a neat structure. The particles are held together tightly, so do not move from place to place. However, they do vibrate on the spot. Solids have a fixed form and fixed volume. They are rigid and stay in their shape. In solids, the particles are closely bonded and cannot be easily compressed. So there you have it, the particles and properties of gases, liquids, and solids. Fascinating little things, hey? These are the three basic states of matter. Everything in the world, including you and me, is made up of matter, and this matter is full of moving particles. Did you know that these particles give off energy when they move? Which particles do you think give off the most energy? Gases, liquids, or solids? You may want to pause the video here for discussion time. When we look back at how particles behave, we can figure out which particles give off the most energy by how much they move. Gas particles move rapidly and freely around colliding, so therefore give off the most energy. Liquids stay close together, moving and rolling over each other fluidly, therefore they give off some energy. Solids stay in a fixed position, tightly arranged, but they do vibrate on the spot. Therefore, they give off minimal energy. So, that was it. A deep dive into the teeny, tiny moving worlds of particles. They may not be visible to the human eye, but they are always with you, moving and changing in absolutely everything. They are a pretty big deal for something so small. They are you, me, and everything.